Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. I want to bring you up to date on the midget that I'm doing here. Today is Friday, September 22nd, 2023. And I've had this car in my shop for way too long, but I'm getting it done. So here I am, I've cleaned up, I've used my angle grinder here. I've used my angle grinder. This is a fierce tool. And I've also used a torch and a scraper, and I've scraped and scraped and scraped, and I've used the angle grinder, and I'm cleaning up the metal as I can, because from here it's going to the sandblaster. But I don't want to have to pay the sandblaster extra to blast away grease. It's hard to blast away grease or crap that's in the corner, so I want to get it as clean as I can before it goes to the sandblaster. So come around and take a look, and you can see that I'm starting to get this thing pretty clean up here. I've got the entire vehicle stripped out. There's not one thing left on this body except the doors. The doors are still on because you never take the doors off. I mean, at some points you have to, of course, but you build the car with the doors on. When you're doing body work, everything is predicated by the position of the doors. You never take the doors off. But anyway, so I'm working at this. You can see this side's a little cleaner underneath here. Over on this side, because I was grinding on it last night for an hour or so, trying to get all the junk out of the corners, using a lot of compressed air, using my angle grinder with a wire, with that knotted wire brush on the back side. Over on this side, it's still looking pretty dirty. I've got to get a lot more stuff off up here. I've got to get my torch out and heat the stuff up and scrape it off. But every single bolt is out of the entire vehicle, and once I've got it stripped down, then I'm going to straighten some sheet metal best as I can, and then we'll go out and have it sandblasted. Then when it comes back, then we'll do some more metal work to it, maybe some leading, I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see. That'll be the next video up. And I've almost got my rotisserie done. I've got the front end all but welded up. I'll have the back end on at the next video. So encourage me to get this midget done as fast as I can get it done. Until then, safety fast.